Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Begin by parking the vehicle on a level surface and engaging the parking brake before any testing. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts or intermittent faults when probing connectors. Wear safety glasses and gloves while working near rotating components or hot engine parts. Locate the RPM sensor on the engine or transmission and identify if it is a Hall effect sensor or an inductive coil sensor before you choose voltage or resistance tests. Reconnect the battery and set your multimeter to the DC volts range before testing a Hall effect sensor. Backprobe the sensor connector to measure the reference and output pins while preserving the wiring integrity. With the ignition on, confirm the reference supply reads about 5 volts on the correct pin. Spin the tone wheel or crank the engine while monitoring the output wire for a 0 to 5 volt square wave signal pattern. If the output does not switch cleanly, replace the sensor. To test an inductive RPM sensor, first set your multimeter to the ohms range and measure coil resistance. Typical inductive coils read between 800 and 2000 ohms, so compare to your service specifications for accuracy. Next, switch the meter to AC volts and spin the tone wheel or crank the engine to generate a signal. You should observe rising millivolts to volts AC proportional to RPM speed when the wheel rotates. If the coil shows an open circuit or
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.